Okay guys, this is gonna be back again with the models. I'm gonna start off with the 14M, I think, because I really need a motor grader. This is the first nice motor grader I've ever had, so it's gonna be pretty neat. You get this one open. Oh, that's very nice. Snip these wires because they're a pain. One and two, and let me see now. Should have three, and there we go. There's a third one. Okay, let's get this one out. Okay, this grater's bigger than I thought it'd be, but that's good. It's a good thing. Good. Well, I thought it'd be a big grater because the 14M is supposed to be bigger anyway than the 140M. Hold on, guys, just haul these out. Very nice model. Oh man, that is very nice. Ripper goes down nice and far, comes up nice and far. Watch that cylinder though. Oh well. Very nice looking model. Suspension, blade functions, really nice. Bolts forward, backwards, turnings, very nice. Very nice model. Holy crap. Articulation. I'll have a better look at it now in a minute, but I really like it. It's very nice. Okay guys, that's one. That's the 14M. Now we'll move on to the D6K. This one's nice because it has opening tab doors, which is very nice. Hold on guys, I don't want to rip the box. There we go. Boxes are a mess, guys, but oh well. Okay, more wires. Just snip and snip, snip and snip. Okay, guys, almost done. There we go. This one out as well. D6K XL dozer. I don't have a good dozer model either. This is my first good dozer model as well. Oops. I hate it when that happens, but here we go. Push that off to the side. Okay. Very nice dozer. Gotta admit, it's very, very nice. I'll just snip this part off the tracks here. And where's my knife? Here we go. Okay. Very nice. It's a very nice model so far. It's really, really cool. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if we can't get that out of the track. Oh my. Oh, I hate wires so much. Here we go. Plastic wrap off the tracks. Oh, okay. And here we go. Track pads. Kind of messed right there. Oh well. Tracks are nice. They roll really nice. Don't mind that noise, guys, if you hear anything in the background. Yeah, the tracks are nice. Blade got good function. Let's see. Blade comes up nice and far. 6-way blade. Goes back down. It's a smaller size dozer, but you know, it's still nice. I'm not really looking for anything that big anyway. Now we get to the fancy part of this model, the opening cab doors. If I can get them open. Should come open. Aw, man. Don't tell me. Oh, there's the phone. But whoever it is, they can call me back. Aw, man. Oh well, guys, I'll get these open eventually. Oh, there we go. There's one. I got it open. Okay, there's your opening cab door for the D6K XL. Pretty nice. Very nice. So yeah, anyways, that's 2. Sorry for the long video, guys, but... And the last one. I bought this not because I heard, yes, that this model isn't really the best wheel loader model to buy, but I bought it because, of course, my dad, you've seen some of my videos, well, one of my videos about the Arctic video, Living on the Edge. Yeah, well, my dad, you know, he operates one of these. Well, he used to. He got a new job now. But he used to operate one of these up in Northwest Territories, Canada. Nunavut, actually. And I just bought this pretty much for him. You can pretty much say, why won't that come out? Hold on. Oh, pain in the ass. Try this from this side. There we go. Yeah, it's better. Okay. What a mess. What a mess I have here. That is, it looks a very nice model. Oh, one twist wire. One twist wire. That's lucky. That's lucky. Okay. Whoa. I don't like that. I hate it when they fall out like that. That is just not, I don't like it at all. But oh well. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. There's the 950H. Articulation. Both ways. Nice wheels. There's that little way where it dumps. I don't like that. The dumping is terrible. Okay. Yep. So this is the Cat 950H, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about that. But yeah. This is the Cat 950. The door should open on this one a little easier than the D6. Okay. I don't have many Norscot models if you guys, well, newer ones. You guys might not have noticed, but yeah, that should come open very easily. Use my little tool, little sword tool. It wants to come open, but it just don't seem to. Want to work. Why? Leave it to Norscot, guys, to get the to start making cab doors that open, and then all of a sudden they're just pain in the ass to get open. But yeah, there's the opening door. I got that one open as well. So yeah, it is a very nice looking model. I will have reviews up on all of them. I got these models for about 136, I think, shipping included. That was the full price for all 3. So again, I got the 950H, D6K XL, and the 14M motor grader. That's my 3 new models, guys. I have another one coming next week. It should come next week. I mean, I wouldn't really say it would take a long time to come because it's only coming from Quebec. And then I have another one coming next week if I do good on my science test. another Norscot, 2 Norscots actually. So yeah, I'll let you guys in on that. There are 2 more Norscots coming, and then that'll be it till probably the end of this month. I have 2 Komatsus I'm gonna order. But other than that, that's it, guys. Hope you liked the new models. Reviews coming up soon, and yeah. So see you later, guys.